I searched the internet and I was able to find two remote jobs that pay up to $75,000 per year. And yes, you do get benefits and a bunch of different perks included. So if you are looking for a work from home, remote type of situation and you are wanting to make up to 75K, make sure you stay tuned. This first remote job is for a company that I know that you have heard of before. It is Metlife. They are looking for a statement of health reviewer 2. So, in this role, you are going to be working for the global operations team, which is focusing on creating positive experiences for Metlife customers and helping the company make the best use of the global resources. So, they're looking for a unique talent with fresh perspectives that can propel innovation. And in the role, you're going to be reviewing, researching, and evaluating pended statement of health submissions to determine if that statement is able to be processed in accordance with their policies and provisions. Okay, so for this role, they are looking for somebody that is analytical, has good judgment in evaluating statement of health submissions, and high school diploma, which is good. So that means that you do not have to have a college education in order to apply for this role. You do have to have that diploma, but they are preferring the 2 years of relevant business experience. Okay. So it's really not a whole lot more information on this job role. Of course, I am going to be leaving the link to this job below in the description box. So you can always go ahead and apply to it. But I did go ahead and find a bonus job for you because I wanted to make sure that you guys had more than one. So this second company, I'm not really quite sure how to pronounce it, but I believe it is 10UT. They are looking for a paid social specialist. Okay, this is the one that is actually paying quite a bit of money. So you're going to want to listen up for the description to see if this is something that you are interested in as well. So they are a performance and data driven digital marketing leader, and they're focused on every aspect of the customer journey across Google, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, Apple, and beyond. And they are 100% remote, of course, and you do have to reside in the United States. So if you do live in another country, take a look at some of my other videos because unfortunately this one is just for US based only. So what will you be doing? You're going to be developing and implementing paid social campaigns, including but not limited to account setup, strategy development, organization, and management, ongoing use of reporting analytics and trend tools for weekly, monthly, and quarterly reporting campaigns. You will be managing a support team of account analysts to deliver the task, consistently looking for ways to improve current processes or introduce new approaches that will contribute to the client's success. You also will successfully fulfill the client's strategy by creating deliverables and recommendations, assisting with new business pitches and proposals. And the great thing is, as far as the requirement goes, you just need 2 years of relevant paid social media work experience. Experience working with social media tools such as Power Editor, Facebook Ads Manager is definitely a plus. So if you guys are good with those Facebook ads, this would definitely be a great position for you. And you do have to have advanced computer skills, particularly Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. And that is really it. As far as the benefit goes, I do think that this position has great benefits. They have unlimited PTO. Okay, unlimited. So that is something that I have not really seen before. As far as holidays go, they are offering 17 paid holidays. And for Flex Fridays, looks like their meetings are minimized and they will have the option to start your weekend early at 1 p.m. local time. So you guys are able to get started on your weekend a lot earlier with this company. I love that. That is something that I would like to have in a career as well. So you do get medical, dental, vision, life, and disability. They do the 4% match, well, up to a 4% match for retirement. And for the perks and wellness, they have different benefits for that as well. But as you can see right there at the bottom, for the role, it is $65,000 to $75,000 per year. So you guys, that is the two jobs that I wanted to go ahead and share with you today. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out the description box below and click on those links and apply. And then of course, if you guys are looking for resume assistance, you need a new resume, or you need to find a non-phone remote work from home job, you can always take a look at my ebook. I will go ahead and put that in the description as well. And as always, make sure you guys follow me for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.